I am going to scramble the cube in 4 movements. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And now we start reading. This is the first phase, the black one. Okay, the next one is the green one. Now we have to put a paper here because the face is not completely white. Okay, next phase. Very good. The next one. And the last one, the red. Very good. Now an image appears in which we can see the cube, and we have 2 options. This time we are going to use the solve by force button. We press it, and now we have to wait because this process may take several seconds. Okay, it has found the solution. Okay, let's follow the instructions. Green face counterclockwise, white face counterclockwise, red face counterclockwise, and blue face clockwise. And as you can see, the cube is solved.